All right, so now we have a binomial that is squared. We have a square of a binomial. Now, when we have the quantity x minus 7 squared, this is going to equal what? We are going to have to actually write this in expanded form before we can go any further. True? Right. So something squared is just whatever it is times itself. So the quantity x minus 7 squared is x minus 7 times x minus 7. So let's go ahead and expand this just the way you're used to expanding. So we do the rainbows and the smiley faces, all better known as FOIL, but I like rainbows and smiley faces. X times x is x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. And negative 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. Positive 49. Just want to see if you're up on your toes. So let's add the common terms. We have negative 7x minus 7x. So what is negative 7x minus 7x? Sam?
Negative 14.
Negative 14x. We have x squared, and we have plus 49. So we're going to take a look at this a little bit further after we do the second problem. So for problem 2, we have the quantity 2p minus 5q squared. What's another way of writing 2p times 5q squared? Penny?
Parentheses 2p minus 5p times in parentheses
5q.
5q, sorry.
It's okay.
2p minus 5.
All right. Rainbows, smiley faces. 2p times 2p. What's 2p times 2p, Kyle? 4p squared. 2p times negative 5q is? Quick, Miss Barnett. 2p minus 5q.
Oh, don't do that. I don't know.
5 times 2.
10?
10. PQ. That was recording on. So we have our smiley faces. Negative 5q times 2p is what?
10.
Negative 10 pq. Negative 5q times negative 5q is positive 25q squared. And you add them together, you get 4p squared minus what? Okay, Christine says it's minus 20pq. She would be right. Plus 25q squared. Okay, so now here's the question. What do you notice about these linear terms in relation to the original problem that they were in? Do you notice anything about the linear terms? Ayla? Yeah, really, you're exactly right. It's this times 2. So you have negative 7, x times negative 7 is negative 7x. Multiply it by 2, and you get negative 14x. Over here, what is 2p times negative 5q? Well, it's negative 10pq. And you're going to have 2 of them, so you just multiply it by 2, so you get negative 20pq. So here is the rule. When you are squaring a binomial, if it were written in the term a plus b squared, it's always going to equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And you'll notice over here that a squared is x squared, negative 7 squared is 49, and you multiply these together, multiply it by 2, you get the middle term. So that is the rule.